Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. You guys have been asking me to do this since last year. I'm finally going to do this for you. I'm going to do this with a jerk flavor mix. So if you want to see how me whip up a mean stuffed pepper with shrimp, jerk shrimp in my kitchen, come on and let's do this now.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's first talk about our peppers that we are going to be using. I have in here exactly 3 pepper, green, yellow and red. So what I did was cut them going this way. I like to cut them this way because it looks like a plate to me for some reason. I just hold it like that with the stems on and everything. You can cut it the other way if you like it, but Juliana kitchen I saw me do my pepper. So I have 3 peppers in here, so none of that I'm going to use. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of bread crumbs. Of course I'm going to use my jerk seasoning in it. Now right here I have celery, chopped onion, brown rice, green peppers, tomato, and of course I have my shrimp here that is clean and ready to cook. Now to spice it up, I'm going to use black pepper, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and some salt, and of course garlic. Now you're also going to need some butter to get it going. If you have margarine, use margarine, but I want to use butter for this recipe. And I'm going to top it off with my Parmesan cheese. So that is what I'm going to be putting up into this goodness. Let's get started. Okay guys, in here I have my pot of water. I'm going to get my peppers started. And all I'm going to do with that water is just add a little bit of black pepper to that. And a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil in there as well. I'm going to go ahead and put my peppers in. And I'm going to let these boil up for about 10 minutes. That's all I need on these. And then I'm going to come back, take them out, and we're going to get everything else going. So 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next step. Now I have my pot there, and all I'm going to do is put my butter or margarine in. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp, tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and my tomatoes. I'm just going to cook these up. Okay guys, that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove that shrimp from the heat because I don't want my shrimp to overcook. Now with your shrimp removed, go ahead and put your garlic in, your celery, chopped onions, green peppers. Now you want this thing to have flavor, so you had your salt, your seasoned salt, and your black pepper. I'm going to add my rice in, and that is brown rice that I'm using. And I add my shrimp back in. That's your jerk shrimp, so just go ahead and add it back in there. I'm going to go ahead and add some breadcrumbs in here. And guys, I'm going to put all the ingredients I'm putting in down below. And again, your fire should be on low to medium heat. Okay guys, so that is what that should be looking like at this stage, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and get my peppers ready for stuffing. So let's move on. Alright guys, as you can see, my peppers are ready. And all I have inside of the pepper is some of that Parmesan cheese. I like to put Parmesan cheese inside of it before I stuff it with anything. So now I'm going to go ahead and stuff my pepper. And you want to kind of press it in, like pack it in there. Okay guys, so now that my pepper nicely stuffed, I'm going again and get my Parmesan cheese and just put it right on top of that pepper. So alright guys, the next step you want to do is get your water and just put it inside of your container. Okay guys, you want to make sure that your oven is already on. Alright, see you back. There you have it guys, my stuffed pepper with that good old shrimp, jerk shrimp, is all done. Yummy. That does not get any better than that.
Hello, baby, hello. Haven't seen your face for a while. Have you quit doing time for me? Or are you just the same spoiled child? Hello, I said hello. Is this the only place you...
So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's fast, easy and simple. Well guys, don't forget to like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.